In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an easy crochet braided headband step by step. It's perfect for beginners. For this project, I'm using cotton yarn and a 2.20mm crochet hook. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot, then chain 103. Keep your starting chain nice and relaxed. Take your time here, and try not to make that starting chain too tight. I've finished the 103 chains, and the length is about 37 centimeters. All right, now let's begin row 1. Start in the third chain from the hook and work 102 half double crochets all the way across. You can pause here and check your stitch count before moving on. And make sure that last stitch, your 102nd half double crochet, goes into the first chain at the beginning. Chain 2 and turn your work. Now work in the back loops only. That's the loop furthest from you. Start in the first stitch and work 102 half double crochets across. Working in the back loops only is what gives this piece that ribbed texture. When you reach the end of the row, chain 2 and turn. Now repeat the same process as row 2. Start in that first back loop again and keep working half double crochets in the back loop only, all the way across. Keep the same rhythm here. Nice and even, stitch by stitch. Chain 2 and turn. For row 4, start in the first back loop and work 14 half double crochets. Chain 5. Skip the next 5 stitches. Then work 18 half double crochets. Chain 5 again. Skip 5 stitches. Then work 18 half double crochets. Chain 5. Skip 5 stitches and work 18 half double crochets. Chain 5. Skip 5 stitches. Then, just like at the start of the row, work 14 half double crochets. And that finishes row 4. Chain 2 and turn. Now repeat the same steps we used in rows 2 and 3. Keep working half double crochets in the back loops only, And continue like this until you have 7 rows total. Now we've finished the last 14 half double crochets. So now we have 4 chain spaces. At the start of the row, we have 14 half double crochets, then 18, another 18, another 18, and 14 at the end. So with those stitches, and the chain 5 spaces included, the total stitch count is still 102. Chain 2, and turn. Start in the back loop of the first stitch, then work half double crochets again across the row. If this tutorial is helping you so far, a quick like really helps my channel. Over the chain 5 space, work 5 half double crochets. Then continue again, working half double crochets into the back loops of the next stitches. The important part here is this. Over each chain 5 space, work 5 half double crochets. Then keep working in the back loops only, and finish the row with 102 half double crochets in total. That way, the stitch count stays the same. I've completed 7 rows total. At the end of row 7, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Then I hid both yarn tails between the stitches on the back. Now make 2 identical pieces, using the same steps and the same stitch counts. Now place the 2 pieces, one over the other. Then pass them through the inner openings to form the braided headband shape. First, pass only the bottom piece through the chain space, just like this. After that, keep passing the top piece through the chain spaces below, one by one. Tell me in the comments, would you make this in one color or try a 2-color version? And here's how it looks now. Once everything is woven through, you can gently straighten the edges here. Now we're going to insert elastic through both ends. You can use matching colors or different ones. Make sure the elastic stays between the front stitch and the back stitch. Subscribe for more easy crochet accessories and more beginner-friendly tutorials like this one. And just like that, our crochet braided headband is finished. I hope you liked the final result. That's everything for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!